Harness is used when installing an aftermarket stereo. Connects the aftermarket stereo harness to the vehicle's factory harness. Designed specifically to fit the compatible vehicles. Plugs into the factory harness without cutting any wires. Standard color-coded wires provide a consistent and simplified installation. 1984 and up. Plugs directly into factory harness. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to install and saves time. Use this for a 2002 Dodge Neon. Work great no cutting the factory harness. Just match the aftermarket wires with the harness, then just plug it into the factory clip. You can solder, black tape, wire nuts, or whatever your choice is. Great product, would buy again.